everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 27 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing something for the back of the shoulders. We're doing reverse flies. We need light, really light dumbbells because we need to do 100 reps. Okay, so bent over, keep your back straight, hold your dumbbells, and now open. Keep your elbows slightly bended. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20. 30. 40. 50. Oh my God, take your time. Woo! Shake your arms. Okay, let's do 50 more. We've got this. Bent over. And now open. Keep your elbows slightly bended. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $20. 30. 40. 100. Okay, that was amazing. Oh my God. Thank you so much for joining me in day 27. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.